A regular glass cleaner. Mr. Muscle. It's preferable that it contains ammonia. It should say here, with ammonia. You'll need a syringe with a 10 milliliter drip tube. And you'll need our print head. Now, we need to take the cleaning solution and heat it on the radiator or in hot water to 40 degrees so that it's warm. And after that, we'll start cleaning the print head. Let's heat it. It's been just 2 days of soaking the print head. It has been sitting on radiator time. Let's see what happened to it. Here you can see that 3 syringes already empty, and 1 has decreased a little by about 1 centimeter. This means that the black color is still clogged, while the 3 previous colors are already clean. Take our print head. Print head. The print head. Let's take it out from the jar and let's try to clean it. The same way we did before. To do this, we remove the syringes. We drain the liquid that hasn't soaked in. We take the same container. We remove syringes. We use a syringe with a tube. Let's heat it up. Last time, heating in a water. Mr. Muscle, in a water bath. The main thing is not to overheat because it's really hot. We don't need it. Approximately up to 40-50 degrees. The water is already hot, but it hasn't fully heated up yet. Let's take it out from the water bath. We fill the syringe. And we continue rinsing the print head. We take the warm Mr. Muscle. We fill the syringe with about 3 cubic centimeters and a cube of air. We screw on the Mr. Muscle and place it in hot water so it doesn't cool down. We're starting the cleaning of the print head. We put it on first, on the black one, the ink cartridge that didn't want to clean, and we gently press on the piston. On the piston, syringe, you can see that it's coming out dark cleaning fluid. Ink dissolved, some visible, of ink. After all, Mr. Muscle dissolved it, and you can see that a little bit of the cleaning fluid is starting to come out. Streams, cleaning fluid, and now just a little bit. We're creating a vacuum in the syringe so that the cleaning fluid was going back and forth, and it cleaned the nozzles well. You see it's foaming. Mr. Muscle. Dirt in the cleaning fluid little by little. Of the cleaning fluid, so little by little. The cleaning is working. Let's get some more Mr. Muscle. And we'll do the same thing again. Cleaning one more time. And so, until all the nozzles are completely cleaned. Won't be cleaned completely. Nozzles You can see that thin streams have started. Streams. It's hard to see here on the camera, but so indeed the print head still is recoverable. And so we'll repeat this with each color until the streams are even, thin, and uniform along the entire length. The printing part of the head right here. Well, here's the print head. After I cleaned it with Mr. Muscle, I rinsed it with distilled water to wash out the remnants of Mr. Muscle, and still, after each cleaning, it's necessary to dry it. Because the control board is very sensitive. Moisture. So we take dry. For hair, any regular one will do. We turn it on to a low heat on the first setting and dry it well for 15 minutes. Because even a small amount of moisture can damage the printer's control board or the print head itself. So you need to be very careful with this. Let's start. Avoid overheating the head. Even a hairdryer can cause warping. Then you must discard the head. Heat carefully. Better at lower temperature for longer. Plastic. After that, you'll just have to throw the head away and that's it. So we heat it carefully and gently, better at a lower temperature, but for a longer time. Note to the contact pad on this side. Some sealed with silicone. The sight, which is exactly on this side. Some people also seal around the perimeter with silicone. But I won't do that because you can always dry it. Let's continue. Now we install the print head on the printer. To do this, we connect the control cable to your print head socket. The print head socket. Now, your connector now we lower the print head. Match bumps, protrusions on the body with the notches in the head, and after that we screw it in. 3 with screws. All print head is installed in its place. Now we set the contact platform with the control board. To do this, just the platform with the control board in its place. To do this, we place it on top. We insert it and apply a little pressure to secure the 2 latches on the left and right. Now, we connect the control ribbon with the contact platform. It's on this side. This is important because without its connection, the printer won't work at all. Clip cable with retention bracket. Snap the cable retention clip, the cable mounting bracket. It installs very easily here. To do this, we bring it to the lower position. To the lower position, and we press it down slightly. Here, in this spot, the clip should snap into place. Now the cable won't go anywhere. Here, the print head is in place. Now let's continue assembling the printer. The printing part of the printer into its plastic casing. Press button. Just lower the button. Groove until connectors and protrusions align. Connector, protrusion, It's also important to press down on the threads here so that nothing gets damaged and everything fits into its place. Once, and the locking happened in this spot and at the back. Clip. Now, we screw it in with screws. 2 in the front and 2 in the back. We tighten it with a little force so we don't strip the threads in the plastic, and the threads in the plastic. And there are also 2 holes at the back. 2 holes for mounting the mechanical part of the printer to the plastic casing. Here too we need to achieve alignment. It's almost clicked in, but it still doesn't turn. One and 2. Screw. That's it. The screws have taken their places in the printer. Now, we need to install scanner control board. The scanner with the control board turning on and off. And then we'll continue working.